Hi everyone! Today I want to share a fascinating story about one of the most famous cakes in the world, the Victoria sponge cake. This year I decided to make this very cake for our wedding anniversary to celebrate this special day in a sweet and memorable way. This cake was named in honor of Queen Victoria and became popular in the 19th century. Queen Victoria loved her afternoon tea and always wanted something sweet and delicious to enjoy alongside it. It's said that the palace staff created this simple and elegant cake to please the queen. The perfect balance of sweetness and softness made it popular all over Britain. I prepared the ingredients carefully: eggs, flour, fresh cream, and strawberries jam. Pro tip: beat the eggs thoroughly and add the flour gently to keep the sponge soft. When I decided to bake this cake for our anniversary, I felt a little nervous, but I thought if Queen Victoria could love it, I can do it too. Unlike the heavy cakes of that era, this cake was light and fluffy, and Queen Victoria adored it. The Victoria sponge consists of two soft sponge cake layers, cream and strawberries jam. Once the sponge was ready, it was time for the cream and jam. I carefully layered the cake, spread the cream and jam evenly. And decorated the top. When the cake was ready, not only the delicious taste but also the feeling of creating something special for our anniversary made it unforgettable. This year, with this cake, we celebrated our anniversary with a simple, sweet moment while experiencing a piece of English history and tradition.